So good evening students, let us start. So what is science? So we already know, we already have discussed about what is science. Science kono. So science is defined as the classified knowledge gained through observation, experimentation, correlation and generalization. So already तुमको कहिथली science रे हमें कोन ना गोटे classified knowledge. Science हला classified knowledge. That means जो तथ्य को हमें विश्वास कर परिबा विश्वसनीय तथ्य जोटा कि हमको कोथु मिलुची ना प्रथम ऑब्जर्व कला पर एक्सपेरिमेंट कले रिसर्च कले ता ऊपर आ हेतु जो तथ्य बाहर ऑब्जर्व कला परे तो हमें कोरिलेटेड कले सेथु हमको जहां मिलला तथ्यटा सेटो हमें जनरलाइजेशन कले माने साधारण लोगों को जणेले तले सेटो हमें साइंस कहबा. So science is defined as classified knowledge gained through observation, experimentation, correlation and generalization. Next देखिबा तार एग्जांपल देखिबा तुम कहितली मु कॉर्ड फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम मिल्क क्षीर रु जो दही होउची हम समस्त जानि जे क्षीर रु दही होउची किंतु कोन पे होउची हम केबे ऑब्जर्व करिने. सो साइंटिस्ट मन हेटो ऑब्जर्व करले ऑब्जर्व करला देखिले गोटे बैक्टीरिया अछि लैक्टोबैसिलाई जा जोगु क्षीरटा हमर दही रे परिणत हेइ पाउछ. So this is also science. Formation of vinegar from sugarcane juice on keeping for prolonged time and rusting of iron are some of the examples of changes which we come across many times. So our real life रे हम ई सब एग्जांपल देखुचे जे आखु रस हम जेटा पिउचे आखु रस को बहुत समय रखि दबा सेथिरे गुटे हमर केमिकल चेंजेस आसी सेटा विनेगार रे परिणत हबो. बुझि परजो बिले?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Am I audible?
Yes sir.
So ये जो केमिकल रिएक्शन रे होची सुगर केन जूस विनेगर फॉर्मेशन होची. So this is also science. आयरन रे रस्टिंग लागबा तुम कहितली आयरन बहुत समय रही ता रस्ट हे जाउची कोन पे होची हमें के भाबी नै यदि भाबीबा सेटा हमर ऑक्सीडेशन होची ऑक्सीजन संस्पर्श आसी बहुत दिन रहिला फल रे एतरा ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन हे कि आयरन रस्टिंग होची. So these are some common examples that we face every day. We come across every day, but we never try to find out the science behind it. But everything that is happening around us has a science behind it. So this is science. Science has different streams like physics, biology, chemistry, and then we'll learn about chemistry. So you already know what is chemistry. Let me again revise it.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So देखो chemistry क्या करवा हमें. So chemistry one of the important branches of science and it is the central science. पहले मध्य अत्युक्ति है बने. It is a bridge between other physical sciences and bioscience or biology. So chemistry definition हमें कहबा in a single sentence that will be chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its transformation. So हमें जानी थले matter. What is matter? Now anything that has mass and it occupies some space is known as matter. So you matter हला matter हमर तीनटा states रही पे physical state रे either solid state or liquid state or gaseous state. So around us everything is matter. तुम पाखरे भी जहाँ भी अच्छी हमें निजे मध्य तुम्हारा वाटर हला तुम्हारा एयर हला तुम पाखरे तुम्हारा पेन तुम्हारा कंप्यूटर मोबाइल everything is matter. So ये जो matter आउ आर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विषय पढ़ा को हमर केमिस्ट्री कह जाए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन माने कोन तो हमें देखिले इन आवर प्रीवियस एग्जांपल्स milk is converted into curd iron undergoes rusting process so all these are transformation from one state to another state हमें कहि परिबा वाटर जेतबेले हमें ताको तार टेम्परेचर कमे दोचे और 0 डिग्री तळ को टेम्परेचर आसी जाउची वाटर becomes hard or becomes ice so there is a transformation of physical state from liquid to solid again if we will heat and give more temperature to water after 100 degrees centigrade water will start to boil and water vapors will be formed that is also a transformation so water was in liquid state whenever we reduce the temperature it becomes solid like ice again if we are increasing the temperature it is also transforming from the physical state of liquid to gas or vapor state so all these are chemical transformation or physical transformation these examples are बुझी पारछे समझते दिनेश तुमको शुभुची दीप्ति किरण
ये सब बुझी होची
ठीक है तापर देखो आउ कोन डेफिनेशन हेई परिबो हमें ऑलरेडी जानि तार बहुत गुडी डेफिनेशन अछि केमिस्ट्री रो so another definition will be chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of composition of matter and different chemical changes involved in it तो सेम जिंस मैटर विषय तार कंपोजिशन विषय जानिबा केमि तयारी हेची आ से कोन केमिकल चेंजेस होची ता विषय पढिबा को केमिस्ट्री कहै छै another definition is there which is a very broad definition हमें ऑलरेडी विषय सब पढ़ी छे एलिमेंट्स कंपाउंड्स एटम मॉलिक्यूल्स आयंस so all these things आ विषय रे पढिया को केमिस्ट्री कहै छै so chemistry is a scientific discipline involved with elements and compounds composed of atoms molecules and ions they are composition that means element compound atom molecules ions semantic composition structure properties semantic and the changes they undergo during a reaction with other substances so the elements compounds atom molecules and ions semantic composition structure properties semantic behavior au semantic kon change as semane अन्य substance reaction करूछन एई विषय रे पढिबा को हमें कहंती chemistry so this is the all definitions maximum possible definitions of chemistry and the simplest one is the first one you can remember the first one this is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its transformation let us proceed to the next slide so next is branches of chemistry so we already have learned that chemistry has a lot of branches some of the important branches are inorganic chemistry organic chemistry physical chemistry analytical chemistry industrial chemistry biochemistry polymer chemistry so these are some of the important branches of chemistry all these branches in your 11th class or in your past year there are 3 important branches you have to learn these 3 branches are inorganic chemistry organic chemistry and physical chemistry so we'll go in detail about these 3 branches so first we will know what is inorganic chemistry so as already told to you inorganic chemistry it is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of all the elements and their compounds except carbon and its covalently bonded compounds. तो मैं कही आगु इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में काहू कहबा ना दिस इज द chemistry which deals with the study of all the elements. So there are 118 elements in the periodic table so far discovered. So these 118 elements and their compounds except carbon is covalent bonded compound. So carbon आउ तार covalently bonded compound मान को छाड़ी देले आउ जेतिक एलिमेंट रहिले आउ सेमानकर कंपाउंड रहिले सेमानक विषय रे पढबा को हमें इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री कहन ताले जो कार्बन और तार कोवेलेंटली कंपाउंड को छाड़ी दबा तो सेमानन को नै कि स्वतंत्र गोटे ब्रांच है सेटा कोन ना सेटा ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री तो स्वतंत्र गोटे ब्रांच है कार्बन आवर कंपाउंड्स बिकॉज़ कार्बन कैन फॉर्म n number of compounds ना बहुत गुडिया कंपाउंड तयारी कर बेरिबो कार्बन along with hydrogen it can form many number of compounds. That's why there are lakhs of organic compounds. It is a special branch of chemistry. So what is organic chemistry? It is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of carbon and its covalently bonded compounds. तो तुम ऑलरेडी जानिछ बुझी पारथबो कार्बन आउ तार जेते कोवेलेंटली बॉन्डेड कंपाउंड्स रहिले सेमानक विषय रे पढिया को हमें ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री कहन.
Yes, sir.
Then next branch is physical chemistry. So it is also very important. Right now we are also studying the physical chemistry. The basic concept of your plus 2 first year comes under physical chemistry. So what is physical chemistry? It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of fundamental principles involved in chemical phenomena. So basics जो रही तो fundamental principles गोटे chemical reaction हो there will be a chemical transformation or there will be a chemical change or there will be a physical change. So एगुडा को लॉ ऊपर आधारित को तथ्य ऊपर आधारित को फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स ऊपर आधारित ए विषय रे पढिबा को हमें फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री कहंती. So it is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of fundamental principles involved in chemical phenomena. So already we have already learned in your previous class about laws of chemical combinations. So all these laws are coming under physical chemistry because these are fundamental principles involved in various chemical phenomena. You put the law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportion, law of reciprocal proportion, law of multiple proportion, and Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. So all are fundamental principles based laws. So तुम्हें बुझी पारथो फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में काहू कहबा बुझी पालो. दीप्ति
Yes, sir. बुझियो
ठीक है. Then next slide, let us move to next slide. So what is the importance of chemistry? So as I have already discussed you, there are very important points regarding the scope of chemistry in our life from the starting of our morning, our work, and whenever we are going to our bed. Up to that period also, lots of chemical processes are running with us. Lots of things that we are using that are also contributed by chemistry. So let us learn about it. So you can understand from this picture our everyday life. So the so we are eating carbohydrates, fats, proteins, lipids in the form of food. All these are biomolecules. That means these are complex organic compounds. These are biologically important organic compounds. So carbohydrates, lipids, proteins. So indirectly in the food chemistry is contributing, or there is contribution of chemistry the food that we ate are actually preserved, the packaged foods, by antioxidants and preservatives. That is also one of the contribution of chemistry. Clothes we wear, some of the clothes are poly, some they are made from cotton fiber. So these are also coming under molecules, and the buildings that we live in, these are also made from bricks, your cement, rocks. These are all made from chemical. And one of the most important thing that is today is medicines or drugs. These are also made from chemistry only. These are chemical substances which are required to reduce suffering and cure disease.
Yes, sir.
Also, agriculture. Right now, our population is growing day by day. To meet the food need, actually, we want to grow more amount of. We want to grow more amount of food because the population is growing. तो जेहेतु पॉपुलेशन बढ़ुची आमर खाद्यर मध्य परिमाण बढ़िया को पड़िबो से पिना विभिन्न प्रकार तुमर कोन आमर फर्टिलाइजर्स आसी सार यूरिया हला तुमर कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट हला ये जो सार सब यूज होची जा जोगु आमर शस्यर उत्पादन बढ़ी पारुची ता सहित जो आमर कीटनाशक पेस्टिसाइड्स आसुची सेमानक काम कोन ना जदी माने आमे तो प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाई देले किंतु जदी सेथिरे कोनसी बैक्टेरियल इन्फेक्शन किंबा कोनसी कीट जोगु सेथिरे तार प्रोडक्शन पुनी कमी जाई पारे से पे आमे कोन करि परिबा ना आमे पेस्टिसाइड लाइक डीडीटी यूज करूचे एग्रीकल्चर रे so these are also contributed by chemistry in our transportation. So every vehicle that we use, starting from a motorcycle to trains or aeroplanes, everywhere we are using fuel. These fuels are hydrocarbons or petroleum products. So these are also organic compounds, purely organic compounds. These are extracted through different industrial processes, industrial chemistry processes. So chemistry is very much important for day-to-day life. So in a nutshell, we can say chemistry is contributing in our community, in our health, in our environment, also in medicine, in industry, in all sciences, in teaching, in research, and also in you. That means in us. Yeah, we are also, all the chemical processes are running in our body, biochemical processes. That's why, in a very simple way, we can understand that chemistry has an utmost importance in our day-to-day life. So in details, we will go in our next slide about the importance of chemistry.